Alright, guys. For some reason, the cops have got their rifles out and they're fixated on this empty lot up here.
This report is sponsored by eBay
right here. They can't say anything, right?
Nope.
That won't be regifted. Head to eBay Motors.
Don't pull over too far. Get back up off the fucking ditch. It's all soaked right here.
On your list. And
That's
with the
fine.
money you save, you can pick up something for yourself too. Happy holidays indeed. ebaymotors.com. Let's ride.
It's another WJRR Ticket to Rock weekend.
Can't.
Your chance to score tickets to the biggest shows with the biggest.
Huh?
Get out and stand in front of
Dad, pull the pin.
I can't because you fucking got me in the wetness.
Mom, pull the pin.
it. Here, I'll fix myself.
Fine, I'll put the pin myself.
What the hell?
I told you to put the pin.
Good?
I'm good where I'm at. I can still see what's going on.
Why are they outside?
Get from the car, dude. That don't sound like a cop.
That's because no, it's
Fire truck.
how can they be stopping people from coming on that street? You don't think they would have a block off?
Oh, the pizza delivery guy. Poor dude.
They're going up onto that property now.
Poor pizza dude.
I'm gonna walk up there to where that dude is.
Yes, they did it for the pizza guy.
Stay here. Stay with the kids. I wonder what's going on. Yeah. I wonder why they're all fixated on that house.
Yeah, they have guns pointed at it just now.
Yeah, I know they had their rifles out.
Yeah.
That's some bullshit, because I went to town on that road. He's like, no, get off the road.
Yeah.
He stopped that other truck that's down there from coming through too.
They have fucking serious guns pointed at them, so they must be doing something serious. That's car brought me to jail right there. That's fucking,
Yeah, that guy right there, he tried to come through and they made him go all the way back around the block.
yeah.
I wish this was in the way.
I know.
Problem is, you try to get even any closer, even if you go over there, they're going to try to fucking push you back.
Yeah. You can't get anywhere near 'em. I think dude was hiding in the car, man. They had the gun pointed right at the car. One officer walked right up to it and looked at it and then jumped back and ran back.
Dude has a gun?
I don't know, obviously. Or he's known to have guns, but they wouldn't have guns like that.
If he's not a felon, then he's legally within his rights.
Oh yeah, hell yeah, for sure. That messed up that right there.
And if they don't have a warrant, then they're in the wrong. They're trespassing on private property. If he doesn't have any warrants or warrants out for his arrest,
They arrested me for my gun, and I didn't have no warrants or nothing. I was allowed to have my gun. They still arrested me for it.
Roxy!
I got a cop watch video, the YouTube channel. I put this shit on my channel.
Oh shit. Hey, these cops now, it's gruesome, bro. For mean,
Oh,
fuck.
dude, Palm Bay is crooked as fuck.
Oh yeah, there's a dude I work for. He's an ex Palm Bay cop. He told me dirtiest cop he's ever worked for in his life.
Yeah, my next door neighbor's a Palm Bay cop.
Yeah, they're dirty, bro. Dirty.
She just started a year ago, but I had a deputy sheriff from Brevard County Jail.
Are you serious?
I had a deputy from Brevard County fucking tell me that there's something weird because they were offered $80,000 for body cams and dash cams in the cruisers, and they refused it. He even told me his own personal opinion.
Damn. How would they refuse it?
Oh, they got her.
Yeah, for real. That's how they are, though. That's how Palm Bay is right here. They make you think something big ass is going on. It's nothing but a girl that had a warrant for fucking failure to appear. You know what I mean? Nothing big. They came to my house and I had a warrant for a child support warrant for one payment for $300. They arrested my ass, dude. I didn't. Not even a day. The judge let me out the next day. But they were trying to get my buddy for he was a drug dealer.
How did it pay?
I didn't know he was actually doing like big deal shit. I think
Clean the wounds.
he was doing fucking pounds of what he was doing. I just met the guy like 6 months ago. Like, fucking asked him all these questions.
You got one lady detained. The rest of the officers are up at the house, still with the rifles in hands. Yeah, that one sergeant that got out of that last SUV right here that pulled up. That one sergeant, the bald sergeant that got out of that SUV right there that pulled up.
Yeah.
I was recording him and a few of his officers over at Bayside Publix. They had pulled a lady. No, they pulled a lady off of the bus over there, and had 4 people for some little old lady. Come to find out that she had got banned off the bus system because she brought a gallon of gas and a can on there, and it tipped over on the bus by accident, and some leaked out.
Like it was on purpose. Like she tried to
Yeah, so they banned her off the bus, and she tried to get back on there because she has no vehicle. That's her only means of transportation to get back and forth. And they made her walk like 6 miles.
Oh hell no, that's fucked up.
And it's some little old 60-something-year-old lady.
God,
I recorded that and put it on my YouTube channel.
I would've been pissed, dude. That was my mom or grandma or something. Look at them, they run deep. There's like 10 cop cars back there. Holy shit. All for nothing. I got a warrant for not going to court or something.
Sounds like they're back there messing around.
There's definitely more cops.
Oh yeah, there was 5 of them out here
4 or 5 minutes
before
ago.
these 2
Yeah.
cruisers pulled up.
What is that? I thought that was a fire truck. And I was like, what the fuck?
No, one time I
No, that may be a fire truck. That is.
On the fire truck, right?
Yeah,
Are you fucking kidding me? Where the hell did they come from?
down that way. Probably going to bring it in to block me off so I can't record them. Yeah, there's a sergeant right there that had an issue with me. He took a picture of me on his personal phone. I could have FOIA'd request that and got everything that was on his phone.
Look at the gun. Look at, there's no reason to have a gun like that, bro. That's crazy.
Unless the person is extremely dangerous,
I doubt it, bro.
there's no reason to have an AR-15 or even a tactical shotgun out on them.
Look at that.
He shook his head.
That's just loaded with sandbags.
Came on him.
That bitch hurt.
Smile, you're on candid camera.
I don't give a fuck either.
He'll get over it.
I kind of wonder if this is a domestic abuse thing.
I thought I was thinking.
Somebody got in a fight.
Something
There's
like
an
that.
ambulance that just pulled up from the other way.
She went crazy and pulled the knife on her husband.
Now they've got her in cuffs.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm assuming she's probably the perpetrator, but I can't say that though. Because you know how they are. They're going to come in first, guns blazing,
Oh, yeah.
and lock everybody in cuffs.
That's all they do. They raided our house. Yeah, so here's the other cop. I was the one that walked to the car and like jumped back.
Oh, the one that just peeked out from behind the sign over there?
Yeah. So I walked over there. Let's just go there real quick. They told me to walk away. I don't got my phone on me.
As As long as you're 40 feet away from them, they can't.
The only best thing I could tell you is that no, you ain't got to be 40 feet. There's no law stating that you got to be a certain amount of feet away from a police officer. It's just reasonable distance. That could be 8 feet.
Yeah.
So
And if they have no crime scene tape up, then they can't stop you from going down there.
Exactly. So I can technically file a report.
Yeah,
Because they wouldn't
yeah.
let me. I went to
Yeah.
turn in there. I went to turn in there, and he's like, no.
Find out who the officer is, and you can get his badge number and his name and go up to the police department and file a fucking complaint against him. Nah, he just pulled up from down there.
Oh.
All of them are pulling their cruisers up here. They're trying to block off what I can. They're trying to block me off so I can't record.
These motherfuckers need help, bro. They need a better fucking.
They have no lights on or nothing, and they're blocking up a public thoroughfare with no lights and sirens. He's the first one to come walking out and went over there. There's a reason why they don't like people standing here with cameras.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy with his full tacked out fucking AR-15.
He was?
Yeah, that guy's putting it in the back of the car right now.
He is. Oh, my God.
For an old lady. Good job, huh?
Unreal, bro.
Great job.
That made him feel good, though. Pull that out to bed.
They don't ever get to use them. That's the reason why.
Yeah. They go to Coco and fucking train, shoot it every once in a while. I just had to clean that
Everyone
shit.
is
Yeah.
Yeah, them people's recording too. Hell yeah. More power to them. Everybody exercise their First Amendment right.
I feel like this cop would say something to us.
Oh, he can say whatever the fuck he wants. I'm standing on public property.
Damn right. He's a dick, you know he is.
Oh, man, he's going to meet his match because I ain't going to fucking back down. Trust me, they don't even understand, dude. I know Rights Crispy, Joey Surreal Camera from Miami, fucking Big Nick, South Florida Accountability, Rogue Nation, fucking Chuck Bronson from fucking Fort Myers. Rogue Nation's one of the biggest ones here in Florida, him
Yeah.
and Rights Crispy.
Yeah, I know that.
And not only that, I've got auditors out in fucking Houston, Texas that I talk to all the time. GCN, fucking News Now Ninja, California,
If he just
fucking
walked
Arizona,
out for me
Ohio.
out Like midnight tonight, I guarantee you.
All she's got to do is take my fucking phone from me if they arrest me and make a couple calls. I guarantee that these guys will be letting me go. My channel only has 214 subscribers, but everybody that I know are fucking
People that are
15,000,
fucking-
200 and something thousand.
People that worth known, worth fucking got a voice.
Just like San Joaquin Valley Transparency out in Cali.
Yeah, yeah. I know what you're talking about now. I know that.
I send my video to him. It's over. It's getting worldwide.
Quick.
Yeah. And that's what he does. I love that guy to death because he sits there and boosts up all the small channels. He gets their videos. He gets their videos on there. And then he gets everybody to boost them up. Just as long as I'm not standing in the middle of the roadway, they can't say nothing.
Where's the lady at?
They took her up to the squad.
Oh, is there? Look at them all still standing around like they did something good. So you guys didn't bring anybody up the street. It's important.
Look at all our tax dollars being wasted.
Yeah.
For what? One little old lady that they probably could have just walked up and knocked on the fucking door.
Yeah. Something had to happen where they had guns like that, bro. They ain't gonna bring guns like that for no reason, you know what I'm saying? And you never fucking know upon a late really. They did to me. Yeah, they did to us, I know that. So they show up. They kicked our door in.
254. Cruiser 140. Can't tell what that one is.
There's 206
That's
and 180.
206. What's the one up there in the very front? The cruiser that's up in front of the SUV on the right.
Don't forget the
That's 188.
That's 188.
Yes. 188.
This one here is 190.
That's the dude that got me right there, that dude.
Oh, the one with the quote unquote honoring veterans vehicle.
Yeah, that's him right there.
But yet he's got the blue line flag painted on the side of his fucking car. That's a slap in the face of all the veterans that he's trying to fucking honor.
He's a douchebag, bro.
Dude, you know all these blue line shit that they've got on the flags and everything on their cruisers is against federal code?
Yeah, they're not supposed to, yeah.
They're not supposed to have none of that on their vehicles. That's desecration of the United States flag. That's not cool, man. Oh, you're good, brother. I like the music, man. Yeah, these cops don't like me recording them at all. Yeah, that's exactly what I say. I've only met a couple of them on Palm Bay that are even decent.
Yeah.
Most of all the ones I ran into are tyrants.
Yeah, I know. Austin
It's sad, but all of Palm Bay has to come to old lady's house.
Yeah.
All of them.
With the AR-15 and a shotgun. That's fucking
They got a tactical
crazy.
shotgun with a breech block on the end of it.
That's crazy.
What are they going to do? Shoot her fucking hinges off to go in after her?
Yeah, what the fuck?
You're going to give that poor lady a heart attack before she even fucking knows what happened.
For real, you can't even get arrest her. You have to fucking get a fucking death report.
No shit.
Yeah. Alright, guys.
Hey, have a good one, man. If they do decide to come over here and do anything, I'm going to hand you my phone. And I'll have you take my phone, upload the video, and then call GCN and News Now Ninja and tell them to go on my channel and look at my video. They'll probably ask you for the department name and stuff like that. That's Cruiser 206, not 208. Now he's got his lights on. Dude, they had AR-15s, fucking tactical shotguns and everything out. Going up that house. Yeah. Dude, there's more of them down there. I don't know. They were all standing out here on the street. Had their fucking guns and everything pointed up there. I tried to turn down that road and they fucking told me I couldn't go down there. And they were stopping everybody coming from the other side, and then they brought some old lady out in cuffs. They put her in the squad that just left.
Like an old lady or like a...
She's probably 50s, 60s.
What the fuck did she do that they need this many motherfucking cops?
I don't know, but all the cops that were standing out here had shotguns and AR-15s out.
They had 7 cops.
Oh, they had more than that? Because there was five of them sitting here before 2 or 3 of them even came up.
There's 3 fire trucks on my street. That's why I'm like, I don't even see a fucking fire. What the fuck's going on here?
Yeah, I know. That's the same thing I'm trying to figure out what the hell's going on that would call for them to have that much fucking firepower outside an old lady's house.
There was a dude with a gun.
I see they brought some old lady out. Looked like an old lady. I don't know.
Maybe she was the accomplice. The dude got away.
There was one officer that's up there. He walked up to the car that was in their driveway and he jumped back and ran back out to the street. I'm recording this shit and putting it on my fucking YouTube channel, dude. Because when we just came up here to Dollar General to stop in and grab a few things, dude, and fucking seen all the cops lined up down there. We weren't even aware that there was any more around the corner here. And one of the guys that lives back here come through on his golf cart, and he told me, he's like, dude, there's fucking 3 or 4 more cruisers sitting around the corner, and they're all up there with guns drawn on this house. I was like, you fucking kidding me? So we fucking went to turn down there. They told us we couldn't.
For real? What the fuck?
Yeah, they told us we couldn't go down there, so we went down there, turned around, and come back, and we turned around down there and parked on the fucking street.
There was a U-Haul here because they moved in like 3 months ago.
No shit.
That's fucking wild. Well, I'm out of here.
How fast does that go?
I got it to 31 miles an hour yesterday. It's honestly sketchy fast. This thing's got 2-speed transmission and everything.
Have to put a turbo on that.
Dude, fuck that.
I remember I remember when them gas ones first came out.
Yes.
You had to stand on
Yes.
them, dude. Back in the early 2000s.
Well, this ain't a real GoPed. This is like an aftermarket full suspension one.
I'm talking about the one that
Real
it
GoPeds
was
that you had to stand on
yeah.
with the spindle wheel. Oh,
yeah, they had the fucking weed eater motor on the back of them. Them little bastards are mean. What's up? I don't know. All I know is they had their guns drawn, ARs and shit.
Like my house last summer.
Hey, how we going, brother?
Try to ask the cops question.
Yeah, if you go to try to approach them while they're up there doing that shit, they're going, fucking, you gotta get back, or try to arrest you in some bullshit. They don't like it when cameras are out on them. There's a reason why they don't have cameras.
Oh, I don't think he lives there. There was an ambulance.
Yeah, they had a fire truck and an ambulance out here. They took somebody in fucking cuffs. Put them in the back of the ambulance, took off with them. Looked like an old lady to me. Here, watch out,
I
bud.
wonder who that dude in my motorcycle is. Hey, that dude right there, so that we can go down and make a left and go all the way around and sit down there if we wanted to. That'll really piss him off. Man, we got crickets in the car. We gotta get going.